Here's a tip that might make your shopping trip a little bit easier. I have been collecting reusable bags. I have this giant bag full of reusable bags. But there's a problem with this. I collect these so I don't have to pay this 5-cent fee for plastic bags at the grocery store. Every bag costs 5 cents. So I've collected these reusable bags to use to put my groceries in when I'm done shopping. But I have a problem. I always forget to take them into the grocery store with me. So I've got a solution for that. I got these bins. These bins you can set in the back of your van or the back seat of your car, and you can load your groceries right into them. You don't bag your groceries inside the grocery store, put them right back in the cart, and then you can just load your groceries up into these. And once you're done emptying out your groceries from them in the house, they collapse. And they don't take up very much space at all. And they stack. You can use them for storage in your house. But if you keep a couple of these in the back of your vehicle, you can just load your groceries right in them. So you don't have to worry about bringing reusable bags into the store, out of the store, into your house, remembering to bring them back into your vehicle, remembering to bring them into the store with you to bag your groceries. These will save you a lot of time and hassle. You don't have to remember them. They're in your vehicle and you can just fold them out. You just fold them out and put your groceries right into them.